Hello, this is the batch number of 19 of minor project. Our project entitled as Augmented Reality with Enhanced Site Plan. Project members are Piseti Sandhya Rani, Tela Sneha Chowdhury and Nallamothu Naveen. We done this project under the guidelines of S. Ravikumar sir, Assistant Professor of CSC Department. These are all the list of content which we labeled in this PowerPoint. Going to the abstract part. Augmented reality is a live copied view of physical real world environment whose elements are augmented by a computer generated sensor input. Augmented reality in construction and architecture projects involves facing a 3D model of proposed design. And we are going to the objectives. Aim of the project. The aim of the project is to develop the application areas of augmented reality in the construction industry to increasing its usage level. In this project, we are visualizing a single prototype and exhibit different models by using augmented reality. The scope of the project is to create a 3D architecture of any site plan. Already we have the existing system for this, which concentrate more on the creating a single prototype. And these are the introduction part. Augmented reality is one of the major technology playing a key role in various fields to increasing experience to the users. In this project, majorly we have targeted architecture field to reduce time and cost issues of the customer. By using the market tracking models, we can calculate the and fix the position of AR object. Then the rendering model fetches the virtual object. Finally, the display screen gives the output augmented 3D view like a real world object. And this is the connectivity of Unity and Vuforia by using Android SDK. These are all the some of the literature review which have collected for the IEEE journals. And these are all the design and methodologies. First, collect the data and license creation, creating database for target fixing and connected Vuforia, SDK and Unity Hub. Finally, verification code and executing. This is the implementation part. First one is architecture diagram. This is a sample layout of entire project. In this, it shows the stepwise process of how we are capturing model, image processing, and finally rendering visual output. These are all the data flow and sequence diagram. These are all the testing parts. These are all the input collection of data and output captures. Here we are concluding as implementing AR as a mobile app is to create better solution and gives an idea to generation about the AR work. The prototype described in this project showed that the use of AR-based element sets in the construction work site planning is beneficial. Here we list off the web references and come to the, this is the plagiarism report of PPT. These are all the reference we taken and come to the implementation part. This is the implementation part. First, we have to install the Unity and login. After logging to create the new project, we have to create the new project. Here,
in that you can see the build settings. Click on it, and in the bottom you can see the player settings. Here you can see the right side corner in XR settings of Vuforia augmented reality. Click on it. Then only you can add your target. Now click on the image target. Here you can see the image target behavior. Click on the add target. Here you can directly go to the Vuforia. After clicking add target, it will automatically open in Vuforia, and the register in Vuforia you will get basics. In that you can create your new project target. Here we have already included our project target. Click on the my first year. It will show the license key which you have to use in the Unity. Then go to the target manager. Here we have given the database of our target. Once click on that, we got the add target. Here we got the 5-star rating for our project. Once click on AR site plan. Here we can show our futures of our project plan. These are the future some of the hidden plans of our project. Then go back. Now here we can see the download database. From this you can download the database of our project. It will automatically import to the Unity. After exporting the FBX file, you will get the target in you will get the FBX file 3D view as like this. After scanning the image in the Android phone or using any laptop scanner, you will get the pop-out image as like this from the target image. Finally, this will be completing by using Android app application. This is the final output of our project. Thank you.